How you doing? My name is Michael Rodriguez. I'm Vice President of Special Projects with Wendy's. I'm also a board member for the Boys and Girls Club of Broward County. I'm here on behalf of the board members to present for the Keystone installation today, which is basically they're taking all the new members that are going to be joining the Keystone program for the 2017-2018 school year and recognizing the new presidents, vice presidents, the whole charter and so forth.
I'm the program manager at the Thomas D. Stephanus unit in Pompano Beach. We are here today at the 2017 Keystone installation ceremony. Keystone is a leadership club for teens 14 to 18 that are also club members.
So I'm here today to try to motivate them and try to get them a little excited about this upcoming year. Obviously, it doesn't appear that they needed very much motivation and excitement because they're already here and they're already excited. But it's a wonderful program, wonderful event. I'm just very humble to be here and to support the children and to see that this program continues to thrive and grow.
Think outside the box, be forward thinkers, don't be afraid.